So recently, UL has come up with lifetime extension service. So what is basically the lifetime extension of wind turbine?
Um, Essentially, the wind turbines, they are designed for the 20 years of the lifetime, and UL has come up with the standard which we call the UL 4143. This is developed to support the wind business and the wind turbine manufacturer who would like to extend the life of wind turbine beyond the 20 years. So if you see the India and all over the world, what's happening is the wind industry is getting to around touching around 20 years of the time, and this is the time when the government and policies maker, they are asking to decommission their turbines. So essentially the life of the structural life of the turbine is still there. So if we just decommission it, it would be a financial death. Even the wind turbine can produce some more power, and industry has no answer for it. What should they do about it? And that's why we have come up with the standard, and any wind farm owner or any wind turbine manufacturer who would like to extend the turbine life, they can utilize this standard, and they can get the financial benefit. This is a win-win situation for anyone who is related to the wind industry. You can get a renegotiation, finance renegotiation with the bank. You get some increase on the return on investment. So it's a very useful and fruitful concept.
So how the root cause analysis is done on wind turbine?
So Neha, if you see that root cause analysis, this exists in other industry for many years. There is a IEC standard, IEC 62740, which talks about the root cause analysis in a general way. It covers the medical, it covers the aviation, it covers the schooling, it covers the business, but there is no standard and the guideline who can cover the root cause analysis for wind turbine business. We have very different set of questions to be asked to answer in the wind industry. So DVOCC and we have come up with a new process where we are utilizing the IEC 61400-22 project certification scheme, and we have put this into the our special methodology, which would guarantee you to get the answer as quick as possible. Assume that if some damage happens in the wind turbine and you are a wind farm owner, you are not able to operate the wind farm, it's a huge loss. So to come up with the solution as fast as possible is very important.
Okay. So how the offshore project certification is done?
Offshore project certification is done to make sure that your asset which you are going to put on the offshore, which is a very harsh environment, they are safe. There are standard IEC 61400-22. There are standard of DNV GL. So these standards covers those offshore project certification. In the project certification, you need to go through the design basis, then you need to go for the design, and then you need to go for the manufacturing, then you need to go for the transportation and installation, and then in service operation and maintenance survey. This all steps are done to make sure that there is structural integrity is intact, there is no safety issue, and also your project is financed in a good way. So having a project certification certificate makes you get a good finance from the bank, because it mitigates the risk, structural risk. We also serve them to mitigate the financial risk. So the scheme is followed, and that's how the project certification is done.
Okay, any message you would like to give to the wind industry?
Yes, so the message to the wind industry is that we need to unite, we need to work against the coal, because we would like to see green everywhere, and we need to come up with the more and more innovative ideas, so that the levelized cost of energy, it's getting down, and also we become a competitive, and we become a cheaper than the coal and the fossil power. So the message would be that let's get united, let's work as a team,